Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about replacement of oxygen in atmosphere. Yes, or we can say today we will discuss about oxygen cycle. Oxygen is must for all living beings for the process of respiration. Okay, and during the process of respiration all living beings exhale carbon dioxide gas, and this gas is must for the plants for the process of photosynthesis. So the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide gas in nature is maintained through oxygen cycle. So let us discuss about that oxygen cycle. So naturally, when we're talking about oxygen cycle, oxygen which is must for all living beings means animals as well as plants. For the process of, it is must for the living beings for the process of respiration. Yes, or you can say breathing. It is must for the process of respiration, and during that process all living things they inhale oxygen gas and they exhale carbon dioxide gas. Yes, so all living beings, either the plants or animals, they intake oxygen gas and they exhale carbon dioxide gas. This carbon dioxide gas is inhaled by the green plants. This inhaled by the green plants for the process of yes, photosynthesis. For the process of photosynthesis to prepare the food. This food is must for all living beings. Okay, all of us, all living beings depend on plants for their food directly as well as indirectly. During the process of photosynthesis, green plants exhale oxygen, and this oxygen again inhaled by the living beings for the process of respiration. So in this way, through the process of respiration as well as through the process of photosynthesis, a balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide gas is maintained in atmosphere, and this is known as oxygen cycle. Now we will discuss about the activities that are possible due to the presence of air. Yes, air. We need the air. It is must for our living. So there are some activities which is not possible in the absence of air. And the most important one, as you know, the process of respiration. Yes, respiration or breathing. Breathing is a part of respiration, which means inhale of oxygen rich air and exhale of carbon dioxide rich air. This oxygen rich air means this oxygen which is inhaled in the body of living organism. It is must for the different activities, and the carbon dioxide which is exhaled by the living organism during the process of respiration, it is just absorbed, it is just taken by the green plants for the process of photosynthesis. Yes, photosynthesis means preparation of the food by the green plants in the presence of sunlight with the help of chlorophyll, water, minerals. Okay, so for the process of respiration and photosynthesis, air is must. Without air, both this process not possible. Now, if we will talking about the power generation, or you can say electricity. Electricity is produced with the help of the power of air, with the help of the windmill, and electricity is one of the most important, you can say, part of our life. So power generation, production of electricity is possible with the presence of air. Now burning of fossil fuel, burning of wood, this is also not possible without the presence of air, because in the air oxygen supports burning and the nitrogen controls burning. So these are the two gases which are the most important one. So for burning of the fossil fuels, burning of the wood and burning of any object, Air is must because oxygen supports body. Now, there's a next one is the process of pollination and dispersal of seeds not possible without air, because only with the help of the air, the seeds of the plant moving from one place to another place, pollen grains of the plant, pollen grains from flower move from one plant to another plant. So these are the process of pollination as well as the process of dispersal of seeds. It is possible only and only due to the presence of air. Air is must for the movement. Yes, it is must for the movement. It is must for the flying. It is must for the swimming. So movement is not possible without air. Movements of gliders, movements of parachutes, movements of aeroplanes, movements of aquatic animals, movements of aerial animals, all of these are not possible in the absence of air. So we can say air is an integral part of our life. It is must for the process of respiration, photosynthesis, power generation, burning, pollination, dispersal of seeds as well as movements.